Hi guys, I know this is not my usual content, but yeah, life, ne? I've been feeling really sick and I really don't know what the problem is. So I decided to buy a couple of tests and I was testing like week by week. Almost every week I was taking a test because I wasn't sure what was happening with me. And I'm not sure what happens. I'm not sure if these things are accurate or not. These things are just frustrating me. So, but I think there's a line there. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. I'm panicking. I'm really panicking because this is not planned. This is not planned. I mean, we are, I think, the second month of lockdown. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. I think there's a line. There's two lines. Is it two lines? Okay, I took this one. This is the most recent one on the 17th of June. And yeah, this is what's going on right now. I don't really know how to handle this. I don't know how to tell my husband. I don't know. I'm just panicking. I'm not ready, guys. I don't think I'm ready for a second baby. I mean, with our country and everything that's happening, I don't think it's what I wanted right now. But yeah, man, we have to look at life on the brighter side and just, I guess, move on. So I'm just going to give you an update on what's happening. But yeah, this is what's happening right now. And I'm scared. I'm really scared. Hi guys, welcome back to Designyourspacebythando. I know this is not my usual content, but guys, I'm not feeling okay. I'm just not okay. I don't know. Just not okay. So, yeah. I did tell my husband that I'm not feeling well. Of course, he was seeing that I'm not feeling well. And we went to Dischem to draw some blood and figure out what the problem is. And yeah, man, I'll let you know what happens from there, but doesn't look so good. Doesn't look so good. I don't think we're ready for baby number 2, but I mean, what are we gonna do if I'm pregnant? Then I guess I'm pregnant, guys. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's only gotten worse. I feel so sick. I feel so sick. I don't even know what to do. I don't even feel like I should get up in the morning. And it's the second week since I got my blood drawn. And yeah, I think the results, I have the results with me. I mean, with everything that's happening right now, things are so uncertain, you know, you never know what's going to happen. But if I am pregnant, then it's a blessing because God still is giving us hope of life, of life in continuation. But I mean, things are so rough, guys. I won't lie to you. Things are hectic. We had to close one of our businesses down, which is the car wash, because I mean, we couldn't keep it open with the recent events and everything. So on the financial side, things are a bit steep. And I mean, having another child is just but I believe where God guides, he provides as well. So I'm just gonna keep my hope on that. And yeah, guys, I'll let you know. I guess I'm just doing a vlog and showing you guys what's happening right now, because I'm not feeling okay. I'm not even feeling okay to do home decor videos and everything. So please do forgive me for that. And yeah, let's see the results, guys. I have the results with me. So I got my results, and I mean, what can we say to these things, guys? It's officially confirmed that I'm about to be a mommy again. I don't know where it's written. Yeah, so hey, Design Your Space family, welcome back. And yeah, man, so it is what it is. I am going to be a mommy of my second child, so it's exciting and daunting, and I'm just filled with emotions that I cannot handle and that I don't even know how to handle right now. I mean, we are excited for new life. We are excited that our baby girl is going to have a sibling. It's just a mix of emotions. I am excited to be a mommy again. I'm not sure if I'm ready. I don't know what ready means. But yeah, I mean, I guess we have to take that and run with it. There's nothing else I can do. But yeah, man, I'm just... To be honest with you guys, the first trimester is the worst for me. I'm trying not to cry, but whew, it's just the worst because I'm so sick, and I vomit all the time. Everything smells so bad. I can't keep anything down. So I'm constantly hungry, but when I have to eat, it basically comes out. So it's the hardest thing that I'm experiencing right now. It wasn't like this the first time around, though. It was a bit different, but now I feel like this is worse. This is a bit worse than before. So yeah, but my husband is supportive and is doing all that he can to make sure that I'm comfortable, you know. It's just whew. It's just something difficult to deal with, especially we are facing a pandemic and we are still on lockdown. So it's just a lot happening, you know, mentally, psychologically, and now I have to deal with physical changes and everything. So yeah, I might be away for a little bit because I'm not really feeling up to like posting and recording videos. I'm not feeling up to doing home decor hauls and everything else like that. So I'm just gonna keep you guys updated on what's happening. I guess my channel will also you know, take another direction, because I really want to share with you guys this experience. I want to share this experience with you, and I want to show you how it is, especially becoming a mommy for the second time. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what to expect. So yeah, I mean, the first pregnancy was good and all, but the delivery was hectic. The delivery was the worst thing. So now I have to be reminded of that again. But I'm a believer in Christ, and I believe this is going to be different. I'm more experienced now. I kind of know what to do and what not to do. And it just came at a very weird time. I guess the timing, I mean, So yeah, that's my life at the moment, guys, and I love you. I'll keep you posted whenever I can, and have a lovely day, life, and we thank God for new life. Bye, guys.